Hey guys, so we are going to do the mukbang today, and we have Dad with us. So I want y'all to get used to Dad, because he's going to be in a lot of my videos. He's a really cool dad. Talk bad. Ha ha. So we are on our way to Millsboro, Kentucky. Oh God, why am I giving my location? Well, I'm not that famous yet. So anyways, we're going to go probably to Burger King. We're going to get us some good old food and eat. And we're going to talk about everything that's been happening lately. We're going to talk about this food. We're going to talk about Burger King. We're going to talk about life. We're going to talk about the channel. We're going to talk about everything.
Like Young Coke or something.
I got that. So Dad, he was kind of worried about being in the video. He thinks that he's ugly. So give him some support. I swear, if I see one negative comment about my father, I'm gonna go sue somebody. Okay? I'm gonna go to somebody's house and I'm gonna sue. I will track you down. I'm not kidding, and I'll sue you. Heard. So Dad, what do you think about getting? We're not even there yet. Just anyways. So, oh, bird. So anyways, we're gonna go and we are going to do stuff. We're gonna go to Walmart. I should not be telling where I am, should I? I'm not even gonna say where I am right now. We're in Kentucky. How about that? Should I even say I'm in Kentucky? So yeah, we're going to. Oh God. So, how was y'all's day? How was y'all's day? What's been happening? What's been happening? Mine's been pretty good. How about yours, Dad?
Good.
Yeah. So, we ate, and I was actually going to make a video about it, but that would just be kind of, ooh, what kind of bird is that? So we ate today, and it was good food. I glutted like a pig. And I'm proud of it. You know, I don't care what people think. So, oh my. So, this brings in another conversation. If someone gets on my video, okay? So, if they get on my video, and they're like, I don't like your channel. Your channel is stupid. You should, like, stop making YouTube videos. I hate this video, and it's stupid. Well, first of all, no one asked you to watch my video. You chose to. I'm not being mean or anything, but I mean, if you don't like the video, instead of, like, saying crap, then you could just be like, well, the reason I don't like this video is because you did this wrong, or you need to get this to do that video, or you don't have enough of this, or something like that, you know? Instead of being like, I don't like your video sucks, I hate it. You should just, like, go burn your phone or something. So, anyways. We have a long way to go. We live away from, I don't even know what I'm talking about, and my hair is frizzy now. I hate it. And I'm sweating. Is this air on? Anyways, I feel better now. So, yeah, we're gonna vlog, I guess. So, anyways, I hope y'all's day was good. I do. Mine was pretty good. I didn't really do anything today. But I do need to talk to y'all about something. So, not being funny, my mom, Donna, y'all probably ain't seen her yet. If you have, okay, good. So, she just got out of surgery. She had 4 surgeries in one. She's been in really bad pain. She's just been in really bad pain. I would like to ask for prayers for her, if y'all could pray for her. And, you know, I just wish she would get to feeling better. And when she does, we'll probably go out more places with her. She couldn't be with us today because she was in really bad pain. And plus, my sister took our car to see someone. And where is it at? Lexington, Louisville, somewhere, I don't know. But y'all, if y'all could, can y'all pray for her? And if you can, thank you. It'd be appreciated. So, okay. So, today's a pretty day. Oh God, that hurt. Today's a pretty day though. I like today. Today's been a good day. And it's not over yet, but I'll still probably be about 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning editing. Like I was editing yesterday's video I was supposed to upload, but I didn't because it was stupid. It's really stupid. So we're almost there. We need to go. We need to go golfing sometime. Like, look at this place. Just love those trees. Love those trees. Anyways, I'm not going to show the signs, so it's just going to be creepy and people's going to stalk me, and I just don't like it. So, yeah, we're almost there. I'm hungry. Aren't you, Dad? You're not hungry?
No.
Why?
I just ate a while ago.
Well, you got to eat again. Anyways. So, I'm feeling ugly today. How about you? I'm feeling pretty ugly today. No one's texting me today for some reason. Is that bad? Well, I've not really fooled with my phone any day. I'm not been on Snap or anything. I might edit in my Snapchat username and my Instagram because I need more followers. And I want to meet new people. You know, I like friends. I like meeting new friends. It's good for you because you get to meet new friends and new people. Anyways. Today's been a good day. Today's been a really good day. I've said this over 30 times now. We're almost here at Burger King, and when we get there, God, my camera's shaking. I'm gonna cry because I'm so hungry, and I can't wait to get my food. We're gonna review the food. So, hope y'all like eating people eat, or family-friendly content. So we're almost here. Thank God. Traffic ain't too bad today either. Dad just let out the fakest laugh I think I've ever heard. Sister, she goes, ha ha ha, ha ha, ha. You can tell when she fakes words or laugh. Like when she's out in public, somebody compliments her and be like, you have a beautiful dog. I love your dog. And she's like, thanks. You know. And mommy, she's like, thanks. I know, he's beautiful. But she's just like, you want a Snapchat? Dogs are not supposed to have Snapchats. Nor birthday parties. I mean, go ahead and throw him one. Throw him a good birthday party right in his face. Good idea. Me, personally, I think it's weird. But what can I do with Christy? Now I can kind of set my phone up. So, I edited her name out because I wanted to, and because I just don't really want people to know her name. Are you kidding me? We're here! We're here! And I'm happy about it. And if you're not, well, too bad. I don't really care. Now I made it. We are here in Kentucky. Well, we live in Kentucky, but we're in an unknown city in Kentucky. Should I even say this city? It's not like it's LA. Well, we're in Middlesboro. Are you kidding me? I'm done. I'm hungry! A Burger King just like right up here, and we're hungry. We're gonna eat, and yeah, and we're going more places than just Burger King. You know, so watch the video to see where we go. You already know that we're going to Walmart, but we might, you know, sneak in into another little place, you know. I need help. So I'll just sit here and doze off for like 3 minutes. Just sitting here doze off. So that should show you that there's something wrong with me. Oh, there's a McDonald's. Here's a McDonald's. McDonald's. Hey, McDonald's. I love McDonald's. The Burger King's right up the road from McDonald's. McDonald's. So, what in the world World, that person, did you just see that person? Oh, what we're doing, Dad does not want to be on video and eating. That's okay. I want to be respectful. So, I would like a crispy chicken sandwich. Oh my God, it landed. So I want a crispy chicken sandwich, whatever. I don't want anything on it, just chicken sandwich, you know. I want their mozzarella sticks. And I would like a small
give me a crispy chicken sandwich over here.
Yes.
Yeah. That's it.
I'll be right back when we get our food. Me personally, I think this is great lighting. We are done now. So I have this. What size is this?
It only comes one size. What to say?
This one size Twix Blizzard shake, whatever. I don't really care. We have mozzarella sticks, and finally, pretty sure it's finally. I'm not sure. We have crispy spicy, right?
Yeah, crispy. You said crispy chicken.
I wanted. I'm sorry. I wanted spicy, but it's fine. We have the crispy chicken sandwich, which looks pretty good. Here we go. So I'm gonna try this. So we're Dad picked something to start out with. Crispy chicken sandwich, mozzarella, or the Twix shake, or the pop. Sandwich. Okay. Sandwich looks pretty good. This is not new. This is pretty sure it's been here. I'm not sure. So I literally asked for nothing, and I put everything I want. That I not want on here. They put lettuce and tomato. Burger King, come on. Burger King, I'm not saying nothing bad, but they didn't give me enough freaking napkins. What is wrong? Here's one. I swear, Burger King is starting to upset me. They're starting to make me mad. Don't appreciate it. Thanks, Burger King. Didn't even get what I wanted. It's okay though. I just picked everything off. So we're gonna start out with the crispy chicken sandwich. If I get stuff on my clothes, it's fine. Woo! It's good. Tastes like chicken sandwich. Next, we're gonna move on to the mozzarella sticks. The sandwich is really good. I just wish it was just plain, which is what I asked for. Mozzarella sticks. Mozzarella stick, so. It's good, but it tastes like something that you'll get from Walmart deli, so, I mean. It's good. Now we're going to try the Twix Blizzard. So. This is my favorite thing so far. Oh, that's good. So, mozzarella stick. It's not really like runny, what cheese should be. Like it should be kind of like that when you bite into it, but it should be more stretchy. It's good. So overall, the food's pretty good. The service, well, we didn't really go in detail. So So that's probably why. So sorry, Burger King. Love you. I should have been more specific. It's pretty good. Oh my God. Look at this. There's literally no cheese in this. There's no cheese in that. Burger King, if somebody's saying this, I'm sorry. I'm actually upset. That's pitiful, is it not?
Yeah.
They could have put something in there. We paid our money for a cheese stick, not for a little shell of one. Should have went to this Sonic right in front of us. Where we should have went. I'm expecting better out of you, Burger King. This is pretty good though. So how's y'all's day again? That was good again. That's the best thing I've had today, actually. Love you, Burger King. But in a way, I hate you. Sandwich is pretty good. Tastes like a regular chicken sandwich, but I mean it's good. And it's kind of bad me having to use napkins out of my dad's truck because sorry people should have gave it to me. Ugh. Oh, you're a big piece. Sound like I just cussed, but I didn't. You want a bite? Get a bite. You didn't eat, you didn't get a bite. Well, overall, I think this is good. A Burger King making me this food. They could have put cheese in it though. They could have put cheese in that. Couldn't they? Yeah. Not in this, but they could have put cheese in the mozzarella stick. Mom would have probably went back in there and be like, you get my boy, you tear this up and put cheese back in. want to sip? You're getting a sip. Sip it. You just sip. How does it taste to you? By the way, that's my dad. Y'all don't be all like weird and be like, ew, did you just drink after your dad? Well, I mean, it's my dad, so, like, what matters? If you don't like it, too bad. I don't care. Yeah, if you don't like it. Since Dad didn't get anything for some odd reason, I'm giving him my solution. Or my shake. Whatever, I don't really care. That's your token of appreciation. So far, everything tasted pretty good, except that poor mozzarella stick. They didn't have anything inside of it. Well, if this one has anything inside of it, yeah, because that little thing right there, but... Well, it looks good to eat, and that's what I want to do. It has something inside of it. That's good. So this is to the YouTube people who's looking at my video, making sure everything is okay. Well, can you like not disable the comments? I'm not being rude. I love y'all. Y'all's my faves, but and it's like my favorite app on the phone is YouTube. YouTube, but I have to have my comments. Like I have to have them. Why do I look like I'm sweating? I'm not. My stomach hurts. So, anyways, don't disable my comments because I have to have them for my next video to see like where should I eat next, what should I do next. Give me some ideas. You know, I'm okay. I know the reason why y'all's doing it, but I'm okay. And if y'all have to go by the rules or whatever, go right ahead. But I'm just asking. And thank you. Love you. Anyways, so it's pretty good. We've got to go Walmart and get some stuff after this. So I met two lovebirds. Actually, two lovebirds. Two chickens. Two little baby chicks. Dad, listen, this is your this was outside your mother's house. So I was sitting there outside, get ready to start a video. Never got to edit it because I deleted it because it's stupid. But they was sitting in the ground in a little hole. In a dirty, nasty hole, just sitting there. Laying down with each other. And it was the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. It was adorable. Y'all want the last bite? Too bad it's mine. Okay. So, I'm done. Very good. So, I'm done with my food. We can pull out now. We're gonna go to Walmart. Be right back when we get there. We just arrived at Walmart, which actually almost ran out. Well, it did, and I had to delete some apps and some pics that I loved. I'm like really weird. So we're in Walmart now. Oh my gosh. There's like buttloads of fireworks technology, and we are going to try to find something for my YouTube videos, like a tripod or something. I'm like vlogging in here because there's people like looking at me, and they think I'm like perverted or something. I don't know. I'm scared. Go down this hallway. There's this hallway because I don't want people to look at me. Later on, I'm gonna try to find me a new camera, like a vlogging camera or something. Something has bit my neck and it's burning. Oh. So me and Dad, we're going to go buy a turkey for a dinner. I need a new phone case as soon as possible. We're almost done, and I want a pomegranate. No, pomegranate! We're getting ready to check out. We're on our way out, and oh crap, we're gonna do my shout outs. I'll do them when we get in the car. BRB. Our shout out goes to Lexi Lawson. So I hope y'all liked this video. If you didn't, well, I'm really mad at you because, I'm just kidding, but I deleted like a lot of games and stuff and pictures that I really liked for this video, so that should tell you something. So I hope y'all have a great day. God bless you, and if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment. Thank you. Have a good day.